Hello guys, I am Hitesh Tripathi, and in this video we're gonna talk about NNS, that is Network Nervous System. Ab, if you have seen my last video in which I have talked about Internet Computer Protocol or Internet Computer, or you can say it Word Computer as well. So it's a decentralized cloud, or you can say decentralized 100% on-chain blockchain. Okay, so if you want to know more about ICP or I mean how it is different from other blockchains, you can see my previous video. Now, taking one step further, we'll be talking about NNS. Okay, you will know in some time why NNS is so important, and then heading forward, we'll be talking about more about development. So most probably there will be a playlist as well in which we'll be learning from scratch all the development in Motoko programming language. So you just need to subscribe this YouTube channel and share it to your friends who want to, I mean, jump into blockchain world and build something awesome that is 100% on blockchain. They can start with internet computer blockchain and start learning Motoko and just go with the flow. So we will be talking about NNS, why it is so important. So NNS is a, you can say, decentralized ledger which you have in internet computer blockchain. Okay, where you can stake your ICP, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other DAO tokens. What is a DAO? DAO is a decentralized autonomous organization. Okay, you can say a app which is fully decentralized and it's under no more control of any organization. Okay, it is totally decentralized and the community has direct control over that application, and they can vote over proposals, and when those proposals get passed, any implementation change will happen. Okay, so we'll be talking about DAOs and dApps in some other video. Today this whole video is about NNS, Nervous System. So you can say this is the core of ICP blockchain. Okay, core of internet computer. Why it is so? Because using NNS, you can do different things. Like you can stake ICP or you can store as well. I mean, you can store your ICP, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other DAO tokens like chat token and SNS1 token, and there will be more tokens as soon as more SNS proposals will pass. Now, in this video, there will be some terms which have been new, which will be new to you, like SNS. So just keep those terms in your mind, and if you want to know about those, you can Google them, or you can ask me in comment section as well. Or if those terms are really important, you will be getting a separate video about those as well. Okay, so NNS again. Why it is important? Because you can store your ICP, Bitcoin, and also for staking ICP in NNS, you also get reward. It's same like you submit your money or you make an fixed deposit or recurring deposit in a bank and you get interest in return, right? So you can take it in the same way. You put some ICP in NNS, stake them for like for some period of time, like 2 years, 4 years, 6 years, 8 years. 8 years is the maximum time till now. So suppose you stake them for 8 years. Now, let's say there need to be some changes in ICP blockchain. Okay, since it's completely decentralized and it's community controlled blockchain, what happens whenever there has to be some changes or any change from implementation from, I mean, in cloud changes or any new node has to be added in the blockchain, anything getting changed in the blockchain need to be approved by the community, right? Because it is fully decentralized, need to be approved by the community. There is no central power who is taking decision over ICP blockchain. Everything is done by community. How that happens, right? So what happens? People in different part of world stake ICP in their NNS wallet. Okay, and those staked ICP become a neuron. Now each neuron has some voting power. Okay, so in short, if I tell you, there will be proposals to make changes in the blockchain by community. Okay, it can be by community, it can be by anyone. There will be proposals over NNS, and which will lead to some changes that needs to be done or that community wants to be done in that blockchain. And now, whoever stakes ICP in NNS wallet can vote on that proposal. Okay, so now if though that proposal will get passed, the implementation will be started by Definity Foundation, or a node will be added, any and or the changes will be done in the blockchain. If that proposal doesn't pass, I mean not enough vote in that proposal, that change will not get implemented in the blockchain. Okay, so now let's just head towards this and see how you can make an account, you can say, or in NNS, and then we'll talk more about it. So you just head to nns.icnode.app and then sign in with internet identity. Now, internet identity is a unique login system made by Definity in ICP blockchain, which can be leveraged by dApps built over ICP blockchain as well. So, in brief, if I tell you about it, you just need to, I mean, sign in with internet identity. It will lead to you this URL. Now you will go to create internet identity. Now create passkey. Now, why this is unique? It is simply, I mean, if I say, just 1 second, you will just enter this. Okay. Now, why it is unique? This is your internet identity key. Okay. This is a unique number which have been assigned to your machine actually. Okay, now there is no need of any password, there is no need of anything. You can just you just assign your machine an NNS or internet identity key. Okay, now if you want same internet identity key in your other devices, okay, like your phone, your iPad, anything, you can just come here, add devices. I'll make a separate video. You can click on add devices and you can simply add that device as well. So after that, you have a separate internet identity for your NNS wallet, in which you can log in from your any device, right? From your iPad, from your phone, from your laptop. You can just, I will let you know as well how the login is so simple. Okay, what I just did, I just created a new identity, internet identity, and I just used the login of my machine, right? I just use the passcode of my MacBook, right? That's why it is unique. What it does, it's just assign internet identity to your device, and your device login will be your password in some kind. Okay, there is no need of typical passwords, and there is no need of remembering that password. One thing you need to notice, if in any case you lost control of your devices, right? In that case, while making your internet identity, you must be having, they will ask you to get a passphrase. Okay, that will be a code word of 12 words, or I mean, some number of words. You need to copy those. Okay, just copy and keep them with you. So in any case you lost access to your devices, you can just go, click on recovery of your internet identity, and put those passphrase keywords over there, and you can simply recover your internet identity or NNS wallet. Now, so I just logged in my NNS wallet using internet identity. Now here you can see there are many features like my tokens, my neuron staking, vote on proposals, launchpad, and my canisters. Okay, if you see here as well, so this much is the total ICP value logged. So you can simply see, you can take it as a bank ledger in your language. If I say a bank has this much deposit in his account as an FD. So you can see, take it on in the same way. I mean, this much dollars of ICP has been staked by different peoples in different part of world. Okay. Now, in the first tab, if you will see, here are my tokens. So till now, NNS wallet have total 4 tokens. you can say internet computer, that is ICP, the main token of ICP blockchain. Then there is CKBTC. This is Bitcoin. Okay, chain key Bitcoin in ICP. So yes, you can also stake or you can also store your Bitcoin in NNS wallet. There is no need of CEX, that is centralized exchanges, where you can where you just go and store your Bitcoin, because you may have heard some incidents happened with the centralized exchanges in past. That's why there has to be some way to store your Bitcoin, Ethereum, and major cryptos in some decentralized wallet, right? So here is NNS, where you can store your Bitcoin, ICP, and other DAO tokens, and soon there will be support for CKETH also, that is chain key Ethereum, that is fully decentralized. Okay, so you can just store your Bitcoin as well. Then these are DAO tokens. Okay, these are like decentralized application tokens. OpenChat is a big application. You can know more about it. Google about it. It is a decentralized chat messenger app. Okay, where you can just chat with your friends, add them, and chat with them. And they just raised 6 million in like 1 day. So it is a big DAO also. So we were talking about NNS, and here is how you can store your internet computer, ICP tokens, CKBTC, SNS1, OpenChat, and soon there will be support for CKETH also. So how you can store your ICP? You can just open this one. There is your address. Okay, you can just go to any centralized exchange or decentralized exchange, put this address there, and transfer your ICP. And as soon as you do the transfer, you will see your ICP here. Okay, same with CKBTC as well and other tokens as well. Now the this is how you can store your tokens. Now my neuron is taking, what is this? If you have some ICP in your wallet, I mean you will see it here. If you have some ICP, now you want to vote on proposals and get rewards as well for voting on proposals. I mean, for staking ICP you want to get rewards as well. What you can do, you can just come here, stake ICP. Okay, staking ICP means locking your ICP for some period of time. That will be 2 years, 4 years, 6 years, or 8 years. Okay, so if you staked your ICP, you need to select your wallet, put the amount, whatever amount you want to stake, and after staking your ICP, you will have a neuron here. A neuron is a particular amount of ICP staked in NNS wallet. After that, you'll be able to vote on all the proposals to get, I mean, made over NNS wallet to make changes in Internet Computer blockchain. And for voting, you will get rewards as well. So, I mean, if you want to know more about voting and NNS neuron staking, you can search in Google as well, or maybe you can ask me in comment section. I'll make a separate video. Now here's a tab, vote on proposals. Now you will see here are number of proposals made by different people in the world. Okay, and you can just open it, and if you have some neuron staked, you will get an option here to vote on that proposal, and you can see this much of neuron power has voted to adopt and this much to reject. And since it's a very good number to adopt this proposal will get adopted. Now, if you check more about NNS, this proposal as well, so the type is NNS canister upgrade. I mean, some upgradation in this NNS canister, and you can see proposal summary as well. What are the updates? And if you want to check the code which is getting, I mean, updated, you can go and check out to these things as well. There's all the things, everything is transparent. You can just go query about this proposal as much as you can, and then you can vote about it. There are number of proposals, you can vote on all of them by yourself as well, or there's some other way as well. There are some named neurons. Okay, so when you make a neuron after staking ICP, if you don't want to vote yourself, I mean, every time you come to NNS and vote on different proposals, what you can do, you can follow other named neurons as well. So after you'll be having a neuron, you will get option here to follow named neurons. Okay. Now after following named neurons, those are some communities. Okay. I mean some communities which go through all of the proposals and vote on them. You can follow them and your vote will get casted automatically. Okay, you don't need to come to NNS and vote on every proposal yourself. If you follow some other good named neurons, whatever they vote on that proposal, your vote will get casted according to that vote as well. Suppose that neuron casted yes, your vote will also get casted automatically yes. Okay, so you can do that as well. Now here's a launchpad. We'll talk about launch launchpad in some other video. This is a SNS service nervous system uh, service from ICP blockchain where you can just put your DAO fully on chain and hand over the control to the community. Okay, like you can see two projects here. Project SNS1. This was a testing project, you can say, and this is OpenChat. OpenChat, if you want to know more about OpenChat, you can just Google about it. It's a decentralized chat app governed by people of the people for the people. I mean, uh, people who has OpenChat tokens, they have full control over OpenChat. They can come to NNS, vote over their proposals, and do changes in the OpenChat. So it's same way like people who have ICP has control over ICP blockchain, right? Now, most important thing, my canisters. What you can do uh, using this NNS wallet, you can make canisters as well, right? Now you will see an option here, create canister. You will select a account, whatever ICP you need to fund that canister, and you can just review canister creation and confirm. After that, what you will get a canister ID. Now, this thing, creating a canister is a very important part to deploy your code in the blockchain. Okay, suppose whatever code you are writing, you have to deploy that code in the blockchain as well. So a canister is a unit inside which you can do your all calculations, you can store your code, and you can serve files and make HTTP calls as well using those canisters as well. So you can say canister is a basic building block used for deploying code over the blockchain and doing all the calculations. This is the simple and brief definition. So now you must be able to know how important this NNS wallet or NNS ledger is for you. I mean, you can do several things using this. And most important thing, if you are a developer, you can create canisters. Okay, if you are like a investor, you can stake your NNS, ICP, Bitcoin, Ethereum, different tokens here. If you want to get rewards as well for staking ICP, you can do that as well on here. Okay, so pretty much I have told you everything about NNS. If you have other doubts as well regarding NNS, you can ask me in comment section. Though I'm more of a developer and not an investor, so I mean there can be some uh, things which about which you want to know in deep. So you can ask me in comment section. I will give you the link of reference where you can go and read in deep about that. Or if I know about that, I'll tell you in comment as well. Okay. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any doubt, ask me in the comment section. Share this video to your friends and like this video. Subscribe this YouTube channel.